Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home looks and feels. In Sterling Heights, where homeowners experience long winters and changing seasons, maximizing daylight indoors can make a noticeable difference in comfort, mood, and energy efficiency. One of the most effective ways to bring more sunlight into your living space is by installing picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows designed to provide unobstructed views and allow maximum light to enter a room. Unlike windows that open and close, picture windows are built specifically to showcase outdoor scenery while flooding interiors with natural daylight. For Sterling Heights residences, they offer both visual appeal and practical benefits. Brighter interiors year-round. Sterling Heights homes often face limited daylight during colder months, making interiors feel darker and less inviting. Picture windows help counter this by allowing sunlight to stream in throughout the day. Their expansive glass surface captures more light than traditional window styles, instantly brightening living rooms, dining areas, and open-concept spaces. More natural light means less reliance on artificial lighting during daytime hours. Homeowners frequently notice that rooms feel more open and cheerful, even on overcast days. This added brightness can transform the atmosphere of a home, making it feel warmer and more welcoming year-round. Enhanced views and a stronger connection to the outdoors. One of the standout advantages of picture windows is the clear, uninterrupted view they provide. Whether your Sterling Heights home overlooks a quiet neighborhood, landscaped yard, or seasonal greenery, picture windows frame the outdoors like a living piece of artwork. This visual connection to nature can improve relaxation and overall well-being. Many homeowners choose to install picture windows in spaces where they spend the most time, such as family rooms or kitchens, to enjoy natural scenery while relaxing, entertaining, or sharing meals. Energy efficiency benefits. Although picture windows do not open, their fixed design actually helps improve energy efficiency. With no moving parts or seams that can wear over time, picture windows reduce the chances of air leaks and drafts. Modern glass options, including insulated and low emissivity coatings, help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat loss in winter and reducing heat gain during summer. In Sterling Heights, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year, this efficiency can contribute to more stable indoor comfort and lower heating and cooling costs. A clean, modern design upgrade. Picture windows add a sleek, contemporary look to any home. Their simple, streamlined design works well with both modern and traditional Sterling Heights residences. They can be installed as a single large window or combined with smaller operable windows on the sides for added ventilation. This flexibility allows homeowners to customize their window layout while maintaining a bright, open feel. Many find that picture windows instantly elevate curb appeal and interior aesthetics, adding value to the property. Ideal placement for maximum light. To get the most benefit, picture windows are often installed in areas where light exposure is strongest. South or west-facing walls are popular choices, as they capture sunlight for longer periods during the day. Even smaller rooms can feel larger and more comfortable with the addition of a well-placed picture window. A smart investment for Sterling Heights homes. For homeowners looking to improve natural light, enhance views, and increase energy efficiency, picture windows are a smart and stylish solution. They create brighter living spaces, improve overall comfort, and contribute to a more enjoyable home environment. In Sterling Heights residences, picture windows are more than just a design feature. They're an investment in comfort, beauty, and everyday living.